Today we're going to do an update video on our tile over tile project we did, it was almost 2 years ago. If you've seen the original video, you know I was a little reluctant to even take on that project, but the customer insisted they wanted the tile over top of existing tile. I did a little research, found some pros, found some cons, made some changes, in my opinion, to improve the process. So we went ahead and did it. It's been, like I say, a couple years now. Now's a great time to get up there and see if it's failing. Then we can analyze it and pick it apart. No car in the driveway. We'll go knock on the door and see if she's home. Wow, still looks pretty good.
Hi, Rob.
How's it going?
Good, how are you?
Good.
What's up?
I'm coming to do an inspection on this tile we put in for you. I wanted to do it a year ago because it's been 2 years now,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah, 2 years. Amazing.
And it's looking good, yeah.
It's looking awesome.
No issues at all
None
anywhere?
at all. Nothing.
Like no grow cracking or anything?
No, it's spectacular. I mean, even where the pots were and stuff, everything.
Yeah, everything is good, hey?
Yeah. No,
And it
it's
still sounds solid?
totally.
Wow. Looks like you had the house painted too. That was brown before, wasn't it? Or gray or something?
It was like a dark beige.
Yeah, the
Yeah.
black really looks good.
Yeah. Oh, it looks really sharp. And it saved a lot of grief doing it like this, that's for sure.
Oh yeah.
It's amazing how it's just hung in, and it's had some heavy pots on it.
Yeah, plus a little bit of rain and water
Oh, yeah.
that come up on it.
Oh yeah, and in the winter we get even snow in here, so.
Come up in here, Matt. Yeah, it sounds solid everywhere.
It's solid everywhere.
Wow, I'm impressed. Could be the good choice of tile.
Well, I think that's really what it is, Rob, but you know, it's also your talent, honey.
Yeah, thanks.
It's also your talent. I had every faith in you.
You did, eh?
I knew you'd figure it out. The old ones were porcelain too.
Yeah,
These are porcelain,
Yeah.
but they're not polished.
right.
And the old ones, the polished ones, right? They were the ones that, well, why we had to replace it, because when
Yeah.
the water and the snow came in, it was so slippery. I mean, this helps with this little bit of a texture to it, but it's
Yeah.
also the shiny thing, right?
Right.
So
yeah.
no, this is,
No, I am really impressed. You know, we've had so many comments online, people asking if they should do it, how they should do it. And I've been saying I was going to come up here and do a kind of a review video
Yeah.
for the last year. It's 2 years now.
it's
and,
unbelievable.
and yeah, it is unbelievable.
It looks like it was done like a month ago.
Okay, well, I'm glad you're happy with it, and I'm glad
we're
it turned out, and good.
We're always happy with your work, Rob.
See,
Yeah.
I didn't pay her or anything.
But you know me, I love you guys, so no, you guys are the best.
Well, thanks.
Honest and best.
Thanks. Okay, well,
Yeah.
that's good. Perfect. Cut. So the question that I got most was, would I do it again? If the tile was solid and secure, I wouldn't hesitate to do it again. I always think it's best to get to a fresh canvas and start over. This is extreme case where it was outside, out in the elements, rain, snow, freezing. I am super impressed with that. We added the Curdy membrane on top of our primer, which probably helps keep any moisture that would get through the grout to the primer layer, and I think that helps a lot, especially in outside applications like this. Our original video is getting a lot of views and a lot of people asking questions, so if you haven't seen it, I will throw a link at the top here. I'll also link it in the description below. This was a first for us, and I think it went extremely well. 2 years now. No issues of failure. So again, go ahead, do it, feel confident with it. We do all kinds of interior, exterior renovations, as well as DIY projects in the shop, woodworking. So if you haven't subscribed yet, hit the subscribe button, follow along. We'll see you in the next one.